Ooh, and we gonna start day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas off a little something like this. Y'all see that? 10 off of 10 Sears. Freebies. Here we go.
You know Christmas.
Hey player, what you gonna get her for Christmas? Yeah. What you gonna get that boy? Come on.
So if you all paid attention to that first clip, that was a $10 off of 10 or more qualifying purchase at Sears. So quite naturally, I want to keep my total about $11, $12. That way when they use the coupon, I owe like $1 or $2. And I'm in a hunt for 4 more pairs of pajamas, you all. It is known fact that I'm the auntie. I don't do the toys. I do clothing, shoes, underwear, socks, things that you have to replenish for kids. So 2 nieces, 2 nephews. I need 2 more sets of pajamas. So let's head to the store and see how we can do this on a budget. Christmas for me is always done on a budget. Believe me when I tell you, I've been rocking like this for 5 years now. This is pretty much foolproof. So I'm here at Sears, you all. And I know y'all say this could be like real life confessions of I want to say a couponaholic. We can say that, but let's say the hustle princess. So I know some of you, the first question you have is, how do you know about the deals? How do you know about the coupons? If you hit hashtag coupon community on Instagram, you all, there are people that have paid blogs towards this frugal lifestyle. Like my homegirl in California, Miss Full Price for What.com, she has up several deals of the day. Now, here's where a lot of people go wrong. This is a lifestyle. So either you about this life or you're not. You can't hop in at the 4th quarter like, I'm going to try to save around Christmas. It ain't going to work like that for you. I promise it ain't going to work like that for you. So today, when I looked at her blog, it said text 74454 and the word Frosty to Sears. And sure enough, a $10 off a 10 qualifying purchase came back to my phone. I have 2 phones, so I did it 2 times. It's just that simple. Okay, jackpot. Y'all look at this. 50% off Joe Boxer robes. Bringing it to $12.49 plus extra 10% off. So I can get my niece one of these robes with that $10 off coupon and make that free. And then I'll get a second pair of pajamas to match. These robes are so cute. So one niece took up both coupons, but that is okay. So y'all see how this works? So in most department stores, if your total right at $10, it's going to reject your coupon. So you get in the coupon community what we call a filler. So these dollar soaps will push my total to like $11, and then I'll owe $1 and some change. That's if I need them, but I grab them just in case. And I'm about to head to this. So I just checked out and I totally forgot to do it. So we're gonna do this one. That's the robe. And let's see what the total comes to. Because that one is on sale also, right?
There's a lot of it.
We can see that. So that one comes to how much?
$12.49.
Okay. So now I give my cashier my phone with the barcode. And then if it's 12 something, and I should owe her $2. I'm trying to get in a good light so we can see. Alright, so $2.66 is what I ordered. Simple as that. So I'm leaving out Sears, y'all, and just my luck. The last time they ran this 10 off of 10, there was a cool little cashier at work, and she's working now, so I waited on her because some of them will tell you it's 1 per household per day, although I have 2 phone numbers and 2 Shop Your Way accounts. She was super cool. So it's getting chilly out here and I don't have a jacket on. I want to get something to cook for tonight, and you all, I have all these Neutrogena coupons in here that are double, making my face wipes and stuff kind of free. These were for a giveaway, but I changed my mind. I'll tell y'all why. So this time of year, you find people that they research giveaways, and I wanted to do my favorite thing, giveaways. So if you follow me on Snap and Insta Story, y'all see me use my Keurig to make my iced protein coffees, and always using Neutrogena products. So I had like a giveaway for every Saturday. And then you know what? I changed my mind. So I DM'd a couple of ladies who, you know, we support each other, and I'll just send them some surprises in the mail. So I really only come in here for the makeup removal wipes because they're $6.99 to $2 doubling, so $4, making them $2.99 a pack. But while I was in here, I had some coupons for Eric, bouncing, all that, and just some deodorant. And I'm gonna pick up me a $25 gas card, and this should be almost. So as you can see, you all, this is my receipt, and let's get in focus. What's that? $14. Y'all see where I added a BP gift card. Paraseed is one of the people that does fuel point deals. Now, all my stuff plus the gift card came to $19, and that's a deal. So one day I'll explain gift cards to you. As of right now, I'm headed home. I would have been done, but they kept coming over to the young boy to see if they need help. And when I tell you, at this particular store, they expect every coupon up and down, make sure you got the size restriction and all that. And I don't really care because I've been doing this for years and I know what I'm doing. And $19 later for all my stuff and my $25 gas card to use with the BP fuel points to fill out my tank this week for work, and I am out. So 12 days of Christmas. This is day 11. Was pretty eventful and did some savings, and y'all roll with me. And I thank you all for watching. And if you have any questions about savings, remember I always say hit me up on IG because my IG stories and my Snapchat be lit, y'all. And I gotta go to bed because I gotta work tomorrow. See y'all on 12 Days of Christmas.
You know, Christmas